Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Big global tensions are rising as peace talks between the United States and Iran continue in Pakistan. But in the middle of these discussions, US President Donald Trump has issued a strong and serious warning. Donald Trump has clearly said that if no solid agreement is reached during the talks, the United States will not hesitate to take military action against Iran. In his statement, Trump said, if we do not have a deal, we will use them and we will use them effectively. He also revealed that American warships are being prepared again, fully equipped with advanced weapons and ammunition. According to him, these are among the best weapons ever, even better than before. In an interview with the New York Post, Trump added, we have made a fresh start. We are arming the ships with the best ammunition, the best weapons. Trump also posted on his social media platform Truth Social, where he said the Iranians have no cards. They only extort the world through international waterways. He further claimed that Iran is surviving mainly to continue negotiations. Meanwhile, US Vice President J.D. Vance has already left for Pakistan, where high-level talks related to Iran are expected. Before leaving, Vance said he hopes the discussion will be positive, but he also warned that if Iran tries to mislead the US, the American delegation will take a strict stand. On the other side, Iran has also placed its condition. Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf said that two key issues must be resolved before talks can be moved forward, including the release of assets linked to Iran and Lebanon. These talks are happening at a very sensitive time. There is a 14-day temporary ceasefire, but clashes between Israel and Hezbollah are still continuing. At the same time, Iran has tightened control over the Strait of Hormuz, a very important global oil route. Earlier, more than 100 ships used to pass daily, but now only around 12 ships are moving through. Trump has accused Iran of blocking oil flow and not following agreements. In Pakistan's capital, Islamabad, security has been increased heavily. Roads are blocked and strict checks are in place as global leaders arrive for these crucial talks. Experts believe this situation is very serious. On one side, diplomatic talks are going on. On the other side, military preparations are also increasing. This could make the Middle East even more unstable in the coming days. So, now the big question is, will there be a peace deal or is the world heading towards another conflict? Stay tuned with KTV India for more updates.